violer les conditions. Vraiment, ça arrive. Ave dando cura pa magia tu nare. Ave dando cura pa magia tu nare. Magia tu nare de canile. Magia tu nare ni yo ikonya mi no madrano. Magia tu nare me o esile me peo. Magia tu nare ni anega do kami wani tu. Magia tu nare ni anega do kami mai tu. Maga kana kan como sai mi mo baba bo.
Thank you very much. See, none of it happened to me. This morning, I just wake up, I carry my phone, my WhatsApp number, I just go my WhatsApp. They just, now course, now they wake me up. Course, if I lie. Now, I don't block, but course. No one more. Be, when I finish get by. Be now. He was just insulting me. I said, that I don't need when I make me. You are kind, I did not be kind. I was so angry. I blocked the person. Again, anytime when they call me, Edo people, yes, Benin, there is people Benin. When they say, we not fit get where, everywhere. Wasn't they worry now? No, for special like the worry on been with no. Some of them are the mental, no. Because say I they say hey or kini con I they do hey. I know I can't they fear say but they for come follow me by something. So what happen? I they do advert the way people see they do. You have me have hey me go sit and say hey now they do. I not the because say me you come back. You understand me? Say I'll come they say if I see something where I want to talk, I not talk. I go talk. You dey hear me so? The egwa where they talk say I feel beg egwa. Waiting me talk way bad for them. Waiting I talk that day I bother and want. Waiting I talk not before people wait there for a those said good I talk. Man I talk truth. Why be say many of una just talk much for that those state? Why? Eh? Why be so not the like better thing? Why be so now want make everybody just me who then? Why una like whodenness? What did I talk about a guy? I no cause a guy, no cause at all. I just thought say make them feel say those states make everything good because if state bad now the elderly people now them if state good now see the elder people that make the state see good now they hear me so. Now me not they say make I can't cause a dope people or make I can't feel bad. No, I'm just looking for the way forward, for my own way. You understand me? Nobody tell me, nobody say hey, go do one. Nobody. If I lie, me I know better for my life. Nobody. When the way things they go on for Nigeria, I would say Edo State, because Edo State I come from. Me go they say Edo State I want to make Edo State good from the bottom of my heart. I mean no harm. I mean no harm. So una they call me and any small thing now say, hey, very well when I wear here with your name if you get gwa ogun appear this a mwelega. Is all muwe ya muwe for you ha. Ogun buwa. They don't care gwa kanaji. What is the worry now? See, all these people, it's just like they are just finished for life. It be like say all these people now don't die. No, why una not they do better thing? Why una not like better thing? Why people say person talk better thing now? The verse put. See those states now. You don't see for this Belgium. I don't see where elderly people go gather for one place. All of them will just they enjoy. The rest people they suffer. I don't see. But in those states for there, go governor office, governor house, palace place, everybody just they happy for them, just they jolly, just they enjoy, just they drink 30 million champagne. But the rest people you sit there for the same state where they don't see one food chop. Not be that one me talking about did I say anything wrong? Did I say anything wrong? And this mother, y'all call me. Me just I don't like what they do. So, but you're the one they go like this. Not trauma, go palace. Madam, good the kid was is a molega. As is a muwelega, madam. Why the if you want to call me, you call me, you greet me. If you want to learn how to do it, I will teach you how to do it. If you want to buy her, you buy. Don't ever in your miserable life call me and talk about a guy again. Never for your life. Do you hear me? What is all this nonsense all about? I'm not caring at and wabuna if you peg here, the degwa, oh, won't boya. If you peg gwa. And my fefe nigele, that's yaga wale secret, that's yadwata le secret gwa, me ya fefe, no guana bugwa, erola de hoy, or more that, all you know. What did you have to say about that? Roland Ehoy, oh, you know, on not jacke or bob, no, I'm more down, or mudia, ben, a virgin, oh, you know. What did you have to say about that? What did you have to say about that? Wama tell me wama wama guy, wama blog, wama go le ya because a quenega muwa ye fue. Equemuwa. We're not where Edo State to Wekere. You are from Edo State, but the Edo State is only blood. Now. Yave ekwegia we agba homa. Now be the bad people. Na de le. See Edo State where the talk say Emery Edos. Ava like him una. If you get gwa, you wanna the thing where I talk, I say make them repair those states. Make everywhere fine. The money where they hide, make them bring and come out. Make them bring money, come out. Money as make them, do everything. Make everywhere good for those states. As in, make blood not there again. So na bad thing I talk. Why will not, expression here, nani me will not go hang kwa wulojia. Why I said, thank God say na Facebook I did. Not be only do the bell. I swear to God, Igbo de be, Yoruba de be, Hausa de be, Togo de be, Burkina Faso de be, Cameroon de be. So, you know since when they want to kill me, it doesn't not be my other boy, I've no let me that boy. Now my juju they make me as if they are alive because now pure one. If not, I for don't die, they for don't kill me, they for don't forget me. Those not be like they tell now. As I say, no way. Now they call it do like this. Now they vex. Me is when no neru ve de misu da. Me we me hian sunu da. We me hian sunu da. Me when no because me na me gwa gbonje. De ye mi so. Ho me o wa clean. So when na wa azu we me de do si no. U wa mi nu. U zuo. U zuo. De ye mi so. See, person go sit there for Nigeria. It days make una when I tell una say wish na real. Una will say me those don't start again. Person wait there at those stay there. This guy will call me today. Will come this way for me. Maybe this guy now. You don't even know what he want chop today. But now winch him be for net, now big person for that side. That is the problem we have now. Now be the problem. You go just see some Fedo people, You go just they will just make me tan. They will just be like person wait one day. You say, ew. Now Leo in the night, Now they watch now they watch movie. Now the same movie one now they watch all those things, Now they happen. You go see them for real life. You go they pity for them. Make they dark. Make they just dark. Now then you go see them. Oh, giddy guns. Maybe the problem with they grant so now, when they not gonna let me rest again. You feel beg come make I tell you something. The egwa where they talk say I feel beg. Where our Oba Benin they carry all the land where they for Edo State. Or you go say now they are lying land with this, land with this. Don't carry all land finish. Remember Edo State don't finish. Oba Benin don't claim all the land where they for Edo State. Okay. As he claim all the land where they Edo State, now, then they invest them. Then they invest them. They not they invest them. Our Oba now, he go last, so 200 years, you will come go meet the ancestor. The land go there. They not they invest them. They not they move forward. They not they go backward. Then go just there one place, big. Now that one, I mean they talk inside. When you say that this land is for Oba, this is Oba land, you invest it. You put you build it, make it a company that people will be working in, as in make them build those houses, those land, make them build them. They'll just carry land, They go carry land, They go say Oba go say na yob this wife you not better Ogo Bano. Okay, Tony what is the land doing there? That is the question. You go just there, you was so whatever be the no touch. Not be juju be that. Not be juju be that. Nobody, okay, fine. If Oba carry all the land where they for Edo State, as in investor now, you go help people for Edo State. You know that not everybody, not be everybody gets sense so. Now sense now help I do. Now sense I do they give so. They hear me. Now since I give so make them invest, make them as in do all those lands where they seize, make them build them. You understand me? Not that one. I know they not be batting like they talk. Now help I day. Now they hear me so. Ça va bien. Because another woman come me again, love you say this here where you do so, it's just good. Make her just carry on. You know what I go. The next thing, if you get why.
You're blocker now. Why you do?
Even I don't have my matter. It matter if don't know. As in make them for the seafood the chop, make job opportunity there. You know there is don't just time money put for one place. Yeah, we me okpa. Otoya reva ni. Boy. Otobano. Okay, reva big. That is not intelligence. That is what I mean. So una ga vie dona da me video na. Una ve mere do sive suene, ye no wata wonu. Tota vie nyanu e menite. I me fi pege gwana. Voto ni avo wa. Aga ugwana no gi me no we adoto to we boy. Oto wa re wa gbigbi. Awa kle moto ya fefe we do set oto iro. Iro pa iro. But I boy, I invested. School abo Tony no back le mini ana bona mo school jo emi no ma no ana hospital yo emi no ma no free land like that o ware wa gbigbi o wo oginye no ware boka mana okay why ya una Mr. Man abebe ka come for here see make una no ever come me again una no see say my man don come na say so no salo ba no wa save one my man don constant with me for underground they go ugwa na de gbe tie nebe e mere do te ta ye gba asisa mu wele ga oga mu wa mo o ya bu we yo ha ija o wa re wa ade gbe mi o se mi aye o se mi aye se to mi aye da ni se mi aye jo wa o ma do de no de gede egi ya zen we ya mu ya wa se mi aye de ga bo no le me ro wa gbe mu ane wa do gbe me na nu ge ya ni la bo vele o gbe mu dia wa ga operate o gbe me mu dia Nonsense people. Me I catch you now again from my WhatsApp. Fools. Eke no wabu, no wabu no wa ya ka ma ebe no, be na ya dole doji. Be de ya ma, be no hospital ya ro e. Wa ma we nonsense people. Fools.